The aim of this project is to design and implement network connectivity setup for a new computer laboratory at Sekolah Macang that accommodates 30 students and 1 teacher's workstation with star topology as network for sustainable solution for the school.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Nur Airi bin Tahirul Nizam. Today I will present the introduction of our proposed computer laboratory project for Sekolah Kebangsaan Macang 1. Sekolah Kebangsaan Macang 1 was established in 1915 and was founded by the late Tengku Cik Beng Keng. The school started with 2 wooden buildings and has continued to develop over the years to provide better facilities for students. It is also located at Jalan Kota Baru, which is at Macang, Kelantan. Now I will explain about the school vision, mission and motto. The school's vision is pendidikan berkualiti insan terdidik negara sejahtera, while its mission is to provide quality education that develops students' potential and supports the nation aspirations. And the school motto is seimpian bersama memacu kecemerlangan, which reflect its commitment to achieving excellence together.
My name is Ezati Erina. Now I will explain the requirement analysis. First, the business requirement. The main goals are to improve teaching efficiency and provide better access to technology for both teachers and students. Next, are the user requirements. For students, they need access to the internet, Microsoft Office and educational software to support their learning. For teachers, they need tools to present lessons, monitor students' progress and access online learning platforms. Now I will explain the functional and non-functional requirement. Functional requirement describe what the system should do. The system should allow users to save and edit files, browse the internet, support multimedia learning, run educational software, and allow multiple users to access it. Non-functional requirement describe how the system should perform. It should have fast performance, a secure network, be easy to maintain, user-friendly, and provide a reliable internet connection.
Okay, hi, my name is Phoebe Elena. And now for this slide, I would like to explain the hardware requirements for our purpose computer laboratory. Our computer lab is designed to accommodate 30 student computers and 1 teacher's computer. For the student computer, we recommend using an Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM and 2056GB SSD storage. This specification are sufficient for everyday learning activities such as using Microsoft Office, browsing the internet, and running educational software. For the teacher's computer, we propose a higher specification with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage. This allows teachers to multitask more efficiently when preparing lessons, presenting materials, and managing classroom activities. Besides the computer, several networking devices are required. These include a network switch, wireless router, Cat6 network cable, RJ45 connector, and a patch panel, a network rack, also UPS unit. These devices help provide a stable, fast and reliable network connection throughout the computer lab. And not just that, we also include peripheral devices such as projector, printer, speaker, and microphone to support teaching and classroom presentation. So for this slide, I will explain the software requirements needed for the computer laboratory. First, the computer will run on Windows 11, which provides a secure, modern, and user-friendly operating system for both students and teachers. For educational purpose, we will install Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, VLC Media Player, and Adobe Acrobat Reader. This application allows users to create documents, browse the internet, watch educational video, and read PDF learning materials. To protect the computer and network, we will use Windows Firewall together with Malwarebytes. These security tools help prevent virus, malware, and unauthorized access, ensuring that the computer lab remains safe for all users. Finally, we also include multimedia and creative software such as Paint 3D, Canva for education, and Scratch. This application encourages students to develop creativity, design skills, and basic programming knowledge through interactive learning activities. Overall, this software application provides everything needed to support effective teaching, learning, and digital literacy in the computer laboratory. Okay, move to the next slide.
Next, I will explain the proposed network topology for our computer laboratory. Our proposed computer lab uses a star topology where all computers are connected to a center switch. We choose this topology because it is reliable, easy to manage, and suitable for a primary school environment. One of its main advantages is easy maintenance. Since each computer has its own connection, any problem can be identified and repaired quickly. Star topology also provides high performance because data is transmitted through the center switch, reducing data collisions and ensuring a stable network connection. Another advantage is easy troubleshooting. If one computer or network cable fails, only that device is affected, while the rest of the network continues to operate normally. In addition, it is reliable and supports future expansion. New computers can be added easily without affecting the existing network, making it a practical and cost-effective solution for SK Machang 1 computer laboratory. Therefore, star topology is the most suitable network designed for our proposed computer lab. Next, I will explain the proposed physical layout of our computer laboratory. The computer lab is designed to accommodate 30 student computers and 1 teacher workstation. The teacher's workstation is placed at the front of the room so the teacher can easily monitor students and manage the class during lessons. The student computers are arranged in rows to provide enough space for movement and ensure a safe and comfortable learning environment. This layout also allows teachers to clearly see every student's computer screen. The laboratory is equipped with important devices such as multimedia projector, printer, and a wireless access point to support teaching and learning activities. Lastly, the network cables are arranged neatly through organized cable management. This keeps the computer lab clean, reduces the risk of accidents, and makes maintenance easier. Next, I will explain the estimate budget for our proposed computer laboratory. The total estimate budget is RM64,548.88. This budget is divided into 4 main categories. First, the hardware cost is RM37,1995.88, which includes computers, networking device, a projector, a printer, speakers, and other equipment. Second, the software cost is RM250. Most of the software such as Windows Education, Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, and Scratch is available free for educational use. The cost is mainly for additional security software. Third, the installation cost is RM8,000, covering network setup, computer installation, cable installation, and also annual maintenance. Lastly, furniture and other items cost RM18,303. This includes desks, chairs, document trays, and air conditioner, and also a whiteboard to provide a comfortable and effective learning environment.
Now we will discuss about technical, network security and content filtering, ergonomic and layout optimization. Let's first, technical choice. Star topology serve better learning in systematic way, suitable for primary environment to avoid the entire network stop if one fail. Operating system and core software are to refine project financial efficiency by free licensing, allow for pricier deployment such as AC unit and another software such as Malwarebytes. And for the network security and content filtering, Windows Firewall and Malwarebytes safeguard data from malware. Comes with content filtering to block restricted access, built-in tool for administrative lab monitoring, ensure secure, safe and supervised environment. And for the ergonomic and layout optimization, structure parallel row, ensure clear line of sight, optimize pathing, ensure smooth emergency laboratory evacuation during emergency such as fire hazard and chemical leak. And it's ideal for school environment due to better monitor and emergency measure. That's all from me for the part of discussion. Overall, the new computer lab will be used to teach primary school. The computer laboratory will be equipped in such a manner that will be enable students to benefit from the lab through learning new skill. Some of the equipment that will be available in the computer laboratory includes multimedia and internet, which will facilitate learning by the pupils. The computer will be networked in such a way that will be convenient to use and maintain. The classroom will be configured in such a way that will allow people to work comfortably while performing their task. It is estimated budget for the computer laboratory will be amounted to 64,548.80 cents. The budgeting is justified since it enables learner to learn about computer and technology. That's all from me.